Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling how to use cashback on credit cards in 2025. If you're looking to squeeze more value out of your everyday spending, this is the video for you. Let's dive right in. First things first, what exactly is cashback? It's a rewards program offered by many credit cards where you earn a percentage of your purchases back as cash. For instance, if your card gives 2% cash back on groceries, spending $100 means you pocket $2. In 2025, with evolving card offers, it's easier than ever to rack up these rewards, but you need to know how to use them effectively. To get started, simply use your cashback credit card for eligible purchases. Most cards automatically track your earnings, so no extra work is needed there. Keep an eye on your rewards through your card's app or online portal. It's like a mini savings account growing with every swipe. Now, onto the fun part. Redeeming your cashback. Once you've accumulated enough, often as little as $5 to $25 depending on the card, you have options. You can apply it as a statement credit to lower your next bill, transfer it directly to your bank account, or even swap it for gift cards from popular retailers. In 2025, some cards might introduce new redemption perks, like boosted rates for digital payments, so check your issuer's website regularly. To maximize your cash back, pick a card that aligns with your lifestyle. For example, if you dine out a lot, go for one with bonus categories in restaurants. Always pay your balance in full to avoid interest fees that could eat into your rewards. And remember, don't let points expire. Set reminders to redeem them before any deadlines. One quick tip. Be cautious of cards with high annual fees. Ensure the cashback you earn outweighs the cost. By following these steps, you can turn your routine expenses into real savings. Thanks for watching. If this helped, hit that like button and subscribe for more money-saving tips. See you in the next video.